Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Library. Today I am going to start a video series on core Java. This is highly demanded programming language like other object oriented language. So let's start my video. Before discussing about the core Java, I would like to tell you about the programming language first. So let's start with the programming language. What is programming language? A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. A programming language are used in computer programming to implement algorithm. Now, let's understand why do we need it. Programming language enables us to write efficient programs and develops online solutions such as mobile application, web application, games, etc. Programming is used to automate, maintain, assemble, measure, and interpret the processing of data and information. Example, online ticket booking system. So, we have understood what is programming language. Now, let's start the main subject, that is core Java. So starting it through the term Java, let's first understand what is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language which is known for its four pillars. Those are abstractions, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Generally, a language is either compiled or interpreted, but the Java is both compiled as well as interpreted. We will see it in upcoming videos as well. Now, the origin of Java. How Java comes to a screen. How we get the term Java. We have to know about it. So, Java is developed by a team of computer professionals under the guidance of James Gosling at Sun Microsystem in the year 1991. They wanted to give a suitable name. Initially, they called it Oak after seeing a oak tree from the window. But after some weeks, they were discussing another name and was sipping Java coffee. So one of them suggested the name Java, and that is how it gets its name. So we have seen the term Java, the origin of Java. Now let's discuss about its application. Java is a highly demanded programming language, so its application would be also highly recommended for the people nowadays. We are looking for its application. Its first application I have written here is mobile applications. A lot of people are using mobile phones, and in the mobile phones there are so many apps installed in it so that applications will be better for the better use actually. Now, second, I have written here the desktop GUI application. Desktop GUI applications are for the laptops, computers to just use it as a software programs. Now, the web-based applications, all online systems we are aware of comes under web-based applications. The fourth one is enterprise applications for the companies, for larger companies they use it enterprise applications. The fifth point is gaming applications. Gaming applications are mm, widely used by the children and the youth generations also. So That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel first and then like and share it with your friends, and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram as well through the below given link. Thank you. Thank you all.